Good morning, student. I am Vaisakhi Patnaik. So, student, today in this video we will discuss about noun. What is noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing that is known as a noun. Could you understand, student, what I have told? A noun is a word which is used as the name of a person, place or thing. For example, let me write here one of the example of noun. Okay, are you able to see? Are you able to see now? Okay, now I will write one of the example of noun. See, the jasmine. The jasmine smells sweet. So in this sentence, what you recognize? You recognize one of the name. That is, this is the name of a what? Flower. What is the name of the flower? Jasmine. That means jasmine is a name. It is a noun. Understood? So there are kinds of nouns are over here. Understood? We are going to discuss about all kinds of noun. First is what? Common noun. Second one is proper noun. Third one is abstract noun. Next is collective noun. Another one is what? Material noun. Okay, so let's have a look towards common noun. What is it? Common noun. What is common noun? How can you describe common noun? A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. That means a name which has been given to a person, which is common, you can say, which is common. For example, Daniel. For example, Daniel is a boy. Okay, so what you recognize over here? This is the name of a boy, Daniel. That is a what? Common noun, because Daniel जो नाम है, it has been given to so many person. Not only one person is there whose name is what? Daniel. Another example, let's see. Delhi is a big city. So in this sentence, which one is a common noun? The word is what? Delhi. Yes or no? Understood? Shall I give some more example? Yes. Some more example. Let me tell you. There is a book. There is a book on the table. So what I have written? There is a book on the table. So in this sentence, can you recognize the noun? Yes, we can recognize. What? First one is what? Book. Book refers to every book. Yes or no? Similarly, excuse me, this is known as what? This is known as a common noun because book has been given to a thing, name has been given to a thing. Understood? Similarly, table is also what? Table is also a common noun. It indicates a thing, or you can say a common noun, a noun which has been given a name to a person, place, things and animals. Okay, but one more thing, just I wanted to tell you, you have to recognize that is common noun need not to written with capital letter except in the beginning of the sentence. That means there is no need to write the common noun in capital letter except in the beginning of the sentence. Understood? I think you have understood about the common noun. Now we will discuss about what? Proper noun. What is that? Proper noun. Tell me, what is proper noun? How can you describe proper noun? Yes, a name that is particularly given to a person or place or its unique identity is called as proper noun. Means a name which is given to a particular person or a place as its unique identity. Understood? Which is called proper noun. Proper noun must be written in capital letter. Proper noun must be written in capital letter. But in common noun, there is no need to write the word in capital letter. Okay. So see, what is it? Proper noun. Proper noun means the noun which has been given to or which has been given a name to a particular person or place. एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और प्लेस को नाम दिया जाता है which is as its unique identity, which is called proper noun. Let's see example. One of the example. Sunil is my neighbor. So in this sentence, can you recognize the noun? Which one is the noun? Noun is what? This one. What is this? This is a name of a person. But a person is talking about Sunil who lives in his neighbor. उसके पड़ोसी में रहता है. Understood? That means the person is talking about the Sunil who is living in his neighbor. ठीक है, तो ये प्रॉपर नाउन, इसको बोला जाता है क्या? प्रॉपर नाउन, क्योंकि हम प्रॉपरली उस सुनील के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो उसके पड़ोसी में रहता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दिस इज अ पर्सन नेम. दिस इज अ पर्सन नेम. सेकेंड यू सी, Bangalore is very just a minute. Bangalore is very nice city. So now you see what you have recognized. This word, what is it? This is one of the city name, Bangalore. Bangalore एक ही है, बहुत सारा Bangalore है क्या? No. So that means this is also known as what? Proper noun. It indicates place. See another example. Kalidas was a very was a very good writer. ठीक है. So in this lesson, I mean to say, in this sentence, what you have recognized? Now this sentence refers to whom? Kalidas. And we all know about the Kalidas. है कि नहीं? So here also we are discussing about particular person, the person who wrote what? Who write what? Was a very good writer, Kalidas. Understood? That means that is also indicates to what? Person.